Hello dear LSPD, this is your chief Sadman Kunn. Today I'm going to show you all how to arrest ATM 10 properly with each and every step in details. So let us go into the video and let us search for ATM 10 to arrest and complete our training. Okay, now you all can see that we have a 911 call. Let us open the PDA. Oh, it's very close to us. Let us go to the 911, the ATM robbery. So first we're going to take out our tasers. We're going to go near the ATM and try to stop it. Okay, there we go. Now we saw a person over here running from us, so we're going to try to stop him. Okay, here we go, found him. Sir, please stop running. Sir, stop running, please. Stop running.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please take off the mask and show me passport? I have the reason to believe that you are the one doing the ATM robbery over here.
No. Fuck you.
Sir. Sir. Sir, stop. Don't run, please. I'm gonna place in call for failure to comply and failure to identify. I'm gonna search you. Okay, you have a lockpick set. I'm gonna take your identification card from your pocket. Okay, Mr. Lazy, I'm gonna search on the PDA. Okay, you're not one with the state. So sir, you're gonna get arrested for possession of any prohibited item, which is a lockpick set, and it is in a small quantity, as well as failure to comply and failure to identify. I'm gonna be grabbing by arms. I'm gonna place in the vehicle. Watch your head, please, sir. There we go. Now we're gonna get in the
Hey
vehicle.
officer, hello.
Yes, sir.
I got a disease.
We'll provide you with medical attention and doctor at the DOC.
Okay.
Now we're gonna check if our vehicle is damaged or not. We can see that our vehicle is in a fine condition, so we can continue. If the vehicle is however damaged, we need to fix the vehicle ASAP. So sir, I'm gonna read your charges and your rights. As I said, your charges are possession of any prohibited item in small quantity, also failure to comply and failure to identify. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have your right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by the state if available. Do you understand your rights? Mr. Lazy, I'm going to read your rights again. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have your right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by the state if available. Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for understanding your rights. Now we're gonna make a radio call. 101 to dispatch. Show me 1017 to the DOC with 110. Now we have to make sure we do not speed on the road and go to the DOC safely. Okay, so we're going to near the DOC, and the DOC special area actually starts from here. So we need to go under 100 kilometers per hour from here. And from this area in the DOC, we have to go under 60 kilometers per hour, as it is counted as special area. Now we are going to take the 15 out of the vehicle. Sir, I'm going to take you out of the vehicle. Please watch your head. And there we go. After taking the defendant out, you have to provide him with medical attention. Sir, I'm going to provide you with medical attention. Please wait a minute. There we go, sir. Now I'm going to be grabbing you by your arms. Now, if the 15 requests for a lawyer, we have to provide that 15 with a lawyer. For the lawyer, we have to ask in high command to make any department to DOJ for an attorney or lawyer. Now we need to take that 15 to the DOC mugshot area. So it is at the front room of the DOC. We need to take that 15 over there for the mugshot. This over here is the mugshot area of POC. Sir, I'm gonna let you go by arms. After coming to the mugshot area, you need to confiscate the items from the temptain so that he cannot shoot you or do anything on you for your own safety. Sir, I'm gonna search you and confiscate your illegal items. Now we're going to take a picture of this confiscation and we need to post a picture of this in our logs. Okay, sir, I'm going to uncuff you and I give you 5 seconds to remove your mask. If not, then I'll seize your mask and your mask will be gone from you forever. I'm going to uncuff you, sir. Please remove your mask kindly. And there you go, sir. Remove your mask. Thank you. I'm going to place in the cuff again. So please stand in the middle over here. Thank you. Sir, please face the mugshot. Thank you, sir. Now we need to put the ID of the defendant at the mugshot. And there we go. We have a beautiful picture over here. We're gonna press our space muscle and there we have a beautiful mugshot picture. Now we're gonna save it to the PDA. Okay, sir, your mugshot has been taken, so I'm gonna grab you by your arms. Now we're gonna take that routine inside the DOC to place them in the jail. Okay, Mr. Lazy, so I'm gonna grab a jumpsuit for you. Can you please kindly tell me the size of your jumpsuit?
Triple XL.
Okay, I'm gonna let you go by arms. Now we're gonna place the command for grabbing a triple XL size jumpsuit from the desk. And there we go. Sir, I have your jumpsuit, so I'm gonna grab you by your arms again. Okay, sir, I'm gonna place in this cell over here. Sir, I'm gonna let you go by your arms, and there we go, sir. Now we're gonna place in the jumpsuit on the bed. Now, sir, I'm gonna take your identification card again. Okay, sir, please wait a minute. I'm gonna give you the fines and the charges. Now we're gonna place in the defendant's name over here. Here we need to put in the amount. So our charges were actually possession of any prohibited item in small quantity, which is this one. So we're gonna copy this, and the fine for this is only 15k, and there is no prison time for this. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna place in 15,000 over here, and now the reason. There we go, one fine. Now to the rest of the fine. Our second one was failure to comply, and here is failure to comply. The fine for this is 35k and 4-star or 60 months in prison. So we're gonna copy this, failure to comply. We're gonna place in 35k and failure to comply. There we go. We also had failure to identify, so it is 10k for this and 1-star. So we're gonna copy failure to identify, and now we're gonna place in the fine 10k and failure to comply the reason. So failure to identify. Now for the wanted list, we're gonna place the name over here again. Now in total it was 4-star for failure to comply and 1-star for failure to identify. So in total it is 5-star. If there was any star before that, imagine the team already had a star, so we need to add 5 stars still, because we need to add all of the charges together, all of the stars, and we need to count it together. Now we're going to place in 5 over here. Next, and over here we're going to place in the reason failure to comply. Now we're going to cut this thing. We're going to just keep the penal code and slash, just to make sure that it is separated from each other, and then failure to identify. And there we have it. Now we're gonna click next. Now he should be in the wanted list. It should show you in the left eye. Now sir, I'm gonna be taking your two-way communication devices from your pocket. Now we're gonna take out the two-way communication devices. For that we're gonna use our try command, /try. Now we can use this command 2 times. If it fails for the first time like this, we're gonna do the same thing again, and there we go, it is success. Now remember that we cannot use this command more than 2 times. It is only 2 times if your first one fails. Now sir, I'm gonna place you in your jumpsuit and arrest you thereby. Now there we go, we're gonna place in the arrest, and our team is off.
Oh no.
Okay sir, enjoy your time in the prison.
Fuck you, officer.
Now we're gonna leave the team and we're gonna head out to our usual patrolling. Before that, we're gonna open our radio and we're gonna say my badge number to dispatch, show my last 15, now 1099. 101 to dispatch, show my last 15, now 1099, and 1017 to the city.